Make a little dare fail video. It's okay. We'll try this out. I've never done this before. What can go wrong, right? It's gotta be easy, you know, because I know how to program in C++. Right, boys? It's gotta be easy. C# support. Okay, so this is the first hurdle. Do I download the Godot engine or do I download the C# support engine? Hello, Resist. The top one is the GD script bottom C#. So we guess we want C#, right? You need to download the .NET version. C++. Hey, C++ is even worse, I think. We're going to use .NET. You look so fresh, boy, what you have done. I look fresh, yeah? Make a donation? What money, though? I don't have money. I can make a donation when I have money, bro. Alright, let's see. So, stable Windows. Wait. That's it? Or is this just extracted done and doesn't install? The console? Or the executable? Damn. I mean, that's definitely better then. You currently don't have any projects. Would you like to create the official examples projects in the asset library? Yes, I guess. No results compatible with Godot 4 support levels. Official check the enabled support levels using support button at the top right corner. Okay, whatever. Let's just make a project. You cannot save project in the selected path. Make sure a new folder. Choose one. What can I not? The projects? Okay. Not sure why not. Would be a good idea to name. Yeah, Godot. Projects. Projects. There you go. That's specified. This engine is like a fucking, like, it keeps complaining. Just fucking create the fucking thing. What's your damn problem, bro? Holy shit, man. I mean, like, listen, bro. Like, why the fuck are you complaining? Like, they should be able to fucking create the folder if it doesn't exist. Holy moly. Okay, I mean, let's make a new folder. Oh no, I can't create a new folder in here. Are you fucking kidding me? I have to create a folder myself outside and then go back into the program just to make a new folder? The fuck, to be fair, that was my first experience with Godot. My man, thank you. GCap, thank you very much for rating. Cheeseburgers, can you give him a shout out? Welcome, bro. How are you doing? Ah, there's a create folder button here. I'm sorry. I'm take everything back. I take everything back. It's got Godot projects. There you go. Select current folder. Nice. We have the, and it's called version control metadata git. Yeah. Forward plus supports desktop platforms only. Advanced 3D graphics. I don't need 3D graphics though. But okay. Create and edit. Let's go. Hello, Cake lovers. Hello there, Zend. My man, good morning. Forward plus is Vulkan. Okay. Let's see here. Now, how do I make a 2D view? Ah. It looks like this blue window is my thing, right? So how do I add in a texture? Let's start from scratch. Let's do 1024 by 1024. I hope I can do a texture atlas, but maybe they do this for me. Vulcan is an instant alter for rage quit. Cakez, what are you up to? I'm making a Celeste clone in Godot, where I can only walk up. I mean, can I reuse these sprites? Or do I have to draw it again? Can I reuse this? Or do I have to draw it again? Now, can I use it as a reference to draw this again? Or do I really have to draw this entire thing again? You don't need an hour of drawing to drop it? No, I would like to start with the character, you know? Copy it to PNG and load. Listen, I don't know the rules, so I'm just going to not copy it, but I'm just going to trace the pixels. I don't know the rules. The character is very specific. You know. Alright. I can fill in the color, I guess. Let's do this right here. That looks good. We need like some sort of brighter for the skin color. No, actually we need hair color. Let's do that. 3 pixels here, 2 pixels here. And we have 2 pixels for the color here. It looks like one more here. Do this. I wonder if they don't like this if I do that. You're free to use third-party artwork assets or assets you previously created. You were just asked to opt out of the respected voting categories, graphics, audio. Well, I would like to opt in, but like this one sprite, I guess I'll have to opt out then. Because this is like a very particular sprite, which I can't create like on the fly. You know? Okay. Then let's create... oops, interesting. Okay. Create this. Looks like I've made a mistake with the pixels. This one's supposed to be 1 pixel taller. And then on top of that, that's supposed to be 1 pixel thinner. But that makes no sense. Okay. Looks like this is it. And then we have a little bit of a brighter one. But then this one's too big. Huh? I'm confused. Huh? I'm confused. I'm really confused. That makes no sense. And that's how it became a unique asset. Yeah, exactly. True. 100%. That's a unique asset, my man. Exactly. Okay, so now we have our Celeste clone here. How can I guess I have to export it into a PNG file, right? Rage incoming, I just realized he needs to set up launcher.json to run it from VS Code. Rage incoming? Ah, come on. Alright, so how do I get this in here? Probably just by going into the assets and dragging it in, right? Where's my Celeste? Okay, so I'm assuming I'm just dragging it in here, right? Oh, look. Wow, that's small. How do I turn this into a resource? How do I change the rendering mode? Why draw exactly the same? Just for testing purposes. I'm more interested in the coding part than anything else. I wanna, you know, tile this all up. Just so I have something cool to look at, that's all. Okay, so what I want to do now is change the rendering mode of this. I want this to render differently. There's got to be an option here. Material? No. Re-import top left? No. Project settings, rendering textures, default texture filter? Ah. Nearest. Ah, cool. Close. Nice. And now we can also scale it, right? Uniformly. Okay, where's that changed? Eh? This is the resource. How do I get to... What do I fucking click to see my attributes? Node? Eh? What the fuck, bro? This object is read-only. You apply that PNG to nodes and change the nodes? Yeah, but... Ah, it's here. There we go. So transform. What is my scale right now? Ah, there you go. Okay. So scale 1. Yeah, I would like this to be a scale 1. But where's the camera? Can I add in the camera? 2D camera? Or do I have one already? Oh, it's centered on the character? I don't want that. I would like it to be centered. I have no idea. What happens if I play now? No main scene has ever been defined or selected one. You can change it later. Project settings. Select the current. Celeste scene. Save. Where's my character? Shouldn't I be... Oh, it's lagging. Okay. There's my character. Okay, so now I would like to change this camera's view. Zoom. By 4. To 4. And I want to move my character inside. Hey! Dude, move the character! What do you mean? Are you stupid? Eh? Why can I not just put the camera somewhere? Read chat. Why is it 449% at the top? The camera is under the... Ah, I see. So I have to get it out. Go out. Disconnect. Make a node 2D and put them under the node 2D. Okay. Nodeception. How do I... This is dumb. Yeah. Like I'm literally I'm not selecting this, right? I'm literally clicking here. From the right click menu, I cannot right click. I'm right clicking right now. Doesn't work. Right click does not work. You know? So it's stupid. 100%. It is really dumb. The camera? Listen, if I want to create a new node, all of the node... Fuck off. Root. Node? Right click node, make scene root. Okay, I think we're getting there now. Now I'm getting there. Okay, so now this node is just in the origin and I can move my character anywhere I want. And if I play now, my character is here. Okay, so how do I apply a script to my character? How do I do coding? How do I code now? Is it a new resource texture, child node? Code. Script. So code. Code edit. Attach script. Ah. GD. Can I not do a C#? Ah, I can. Celeste.C#. Okay, create. Cool. Process. This is run every frame. Delta is elapsed time, previous frame. Okay. Control plus. Do I have Vim? No. I don't, right? Is there a way to get Vim into this? Vim and Godot? Is there an extension to get Vim? You can use VS Code? No, I don't like. I like it really. Like I can do this. Click. No, I can't. Actually, I can't click on this. Shouldn't I be able to just control click this? Shift click this? Alt click this? Eh? What? Huh? Shouldn't it show me the documentation? Vim in Godot, GitHub. Ooh, GitHub. Let's see here. It has almost 400 stars, so it's not that bad actually. Godot engine has a rock-solid built-in editor, but I feel as I'm comfortable within Vim environment. The plugin provides GD script, GLSL, syntax highlighting, folding, run commands, select and run scene. How do I install it? Settings, installation. Follow your plugin manager documentation. For example, Vim plug does it this way. Call plug begin Vim plug Godot. Manual, clone the repository. Download zip, unpack into the appropriate folder defined in manual with Git. You know what I hate about this stuff, guys? This documentation is so vast, yet so bad. Better just use VS Code. Because it doesn't tell me where I do this call. It doesn't tell me anything where I have to unpack it. It just says appropriate folder. Defined in manual with Git. Which, like, huh? Install the package manager, then run, whatever. Listen, bad documentation. The documentation is not mine. Like, maybe I'm just dumb, but I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code, I guess. Where is this script located? Classic open source. I think I'm a bit nitpicky, but yeah, I just don't want to deal with this right now. Seems like some busy work. So we're just gonna use Visual Studio Code. Okay, how do I find this? It must be on the computer? D. This is nuts. I think it created this file because of debugging. I wonder if it finds this. Doesn't find anything. It doesn't give me, it doesn't get me, guys, I don't think it's a good idea to do this because it doesn't give me anything at all. Absolutely nothing. No syntax highlighting, not telling me whether that is correct or not. I think this is a dumb idea. I think we should use the editor. Godot Visual Studio Code extension. Okay, fine. Let's see if we can find an extension. Godot works great with VS Code with that extension. No. The extension is trash. Just set up plugin. Just set up one and plugin 2 Godot.net settings editor. Listen, like the instructions are unclear, okay? I do not understand these instructions. Sorry, but I don't understand. Like this, don't understand. It doesn't tell me where to go in which folder. It doesn't tell me where to put this. I just don't want to piece the puzzles together. Sorry. Should have done a better, this guy should have done a better documentation. Anyways, what I wanted to do is create... Do we have like an approach function? No? Vim is not VS Code? That's docs for the Vim editor, not VS Code? Bruh. I know. I wanted to have Vim in here. How do I get documentation in here? Find methods. So, do I have to make my own approach function? If you learn how to use your plugin manager, it works. I don't want to learn how to use a plugin manager. I want to double-click install something, okay? That's what I want to do. Or I want to have a crystal clear documentation that says you go into this folder, you go into this file, you type in this into the file, and then you go into that file. That's not really on the documentation then? It is, because the documentation is not clear. It doesn't tell me to go into which folder exactly, and to go into which file exactly, and to type in what exactly. It is not a instruction list. It assumes information that I do not have. And I don't like that. I don't like when there's information left out that someone thinks is like, yeah. It's clear, it assumes you know how to use your tools. Yeah, which is dumb, in my opinion. Because I'm new to Godot, and I don't know these tools. So, yeah. Anyways, it doesn't matter because, let's see, if current is greater than target, right? Now I'm just assuming that this is how you type in C# as well. Then I want to do current is... Fuck. Try Game Maker? Nah, I want to try Godot. It's not because there are dozens of different plugin managers. Well, then it should be even more so that it... then it should be even more explained, to be honest, in my opinion. C++ and C# are almost the same, just replace plus arrows with dots. Yeah, why are there so many plugin managers here? I guess because it just grew over time. I hope your code is doing well as you do. Yes, hope you're doing well too, man. Good morning, Varit. Or good afternoon. I forgot how the approach function works, but let's think here. We will probably want to do current is current minus speed up. But then it would never go there. It has to reach the target. Cakes and Godot, yep. You can refer code, this is not an exam. Okay, thank God. I believe he'll jump on some C# game engine framework train. He seemed like it yesterday. No, we're just using this for the game jam and see how far I can get. But it all depends because I'm really hot. Really hot in this room and I just don't... It just doesn't stop. Godot settings for C#. Select an external editor in Godot, click in editor settings, scroll down to .NET. Under .NET, click on the editor and select the external editor of your choice. For GDScript, if you want VS Code plugin. But then I still don't have documentation, right? I said that 20 times, he doesn't listen. But I don't have documentation, don't I, guys? Like documentation for functions. You have code docs and Godot by pressing F1. You will have IntelliSense. Set that too. Anonymous gifter, thank you very much for gifting this up to the community. Airbev, when someone gifts a sub to the community, it looks like the bot doesn't understand that it was anonymous and therefore it says nothing. It should say an anonymous gifter in that case, when the gifter is anonymous. Right now it just says, is gifting one sub to the community. Bad bot, but the bot is in construction phase. I'm testing it out for the first time. Thank you very much, anonymous gifter. Where's the approach function here? Listen, if this fucking approach function doesn't exist, does it? There it is. Ah, it's the min and max. Okay. Now I'm assuming we have min and max. Return max current plus speed up target. The maximum of, but that makes no sense. This should be the minimum then, or minimum of plus. Ah, if it's less than the target. So I'm doing greater here, so that should be the maximum. And this should be the minimum. Doesn't really matter which way you do it. Okay, now that we have the approach function, and then how do we do get key? So I have input, it looks like. I just don't have documentation on this. I don't have IntelliSense in this editor at all. This editor sucks. Cakez, you remove the welcome message. We are trying out a new bot and therefore the welcome messages don't work. That's why we said you should switch to VS Code. Wow, he's getting really angry now. Okay. This editor is for GDScript. Fine. Okay, we do it. So, Godot settings for C#. So select an editor. Click on editor. Settings. External programs. .NET. Huh? No. How do I close the script? Huh? I accidentally deleted deleted all my notes. What is this shit? I clicked here to close the window. What is this dog shit? Huh? RIP? I can't close this window. What the fuck is this shit? Go away. Why is there no X button on the top? What is this dumb fuck? 2D at the top? Oh my god. Okay. Yes. Okay, so can I access input? I don't. This is even worse. It doesn't have Godot at all. You need to build at least once to have IntelliSense. Also, that's where I need like a new folder .vs code. Then a launch.json paste bin. Thank you. I love seeing him cry. Fuck you. That is rude, you know that, right? I need a build task. Do you have a build task? You need to change one thing in there. Path to Godot.executable you downloaded. Yeah, well, is it a relative path or like a real path? Absolute path is better. I forgot where I put this. Was it on this computer? C? No. D? Dude, I forgot where I put this. Hey, where did I put Godot? This is great when you don't have to install something, but now I don't fucking find it. Am I complaining too much? No, right? Copy path. Looks like we have to do slashes. And then tasks.json. Wow, that's a big one. Like, how are you supposed to find this out if you don't have someone telling you what to do? Look at this. Thank you very much, Epoch. How do you know these things? Is there like documentation somewhere that I haven't seen? In the docs? You read by buying courses in Udemy. Yeah, exactly. Epoch knows everything. Docs Godot engine. Configuring an IDE Visual Studio Code HTML. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the docs. Are they good? You know, I have a YouTube video, right? Oh, I'm recording right now, so aha. So this is how you can set up Visual Studio Code. Interesting. Oh, this is what we need to do in the tasks. Okay. That sounds interesting to do. And this is an example one. Cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm totally reading all of this. And this is the launch.json. Aha. Okay. Now, let me quickly set this up. You remember this recording? No. Listen. Ah, okay, so it works. Okay, cool. Very nice. It's complaining about the max and min functions. So you're wrong. He will do a London Dare video, yeah, and I will pretend like I read the documentation. Math.min, math.max. So, okay, so maybe it is math.max. Maybe I need to use math. And math.min. Do I have math on max? Math does not contain. Ah, so it's in capital M. Alright, cool. Alright, so after we were done building, it now works properly. Math could not be found. You're using a directive assembly reference, namespace math. Is it system math? No. Math.max is working in doubles, math.f.max is in floats. Hä? His pretentious voice is funny. It makes no sense. Like, this sucks. Like, it doesn't tell me how to get math. It should tell me, oh, did you mean penis.math using collections.math? Complain about count plus plus. Like, what is this complaining about? The name max does not exist. Math is in system. Excuse me. So system.math. Let's try to run this again. Maybe it runs this time. Errors existing after pre-launch task. Show errors. Namespace directive is only applied to namespaces. Math is a type no. Math is a type of not namespace. Consider using static. Maybe I could just use math. Let's see. Yeah, how about you fucking tell me how to fucking include it instead of complaining the entire time, huh? Why don't you just fucking tell me what to use? Static? Huh? This makes no sense. But okay, it works. Cool. Okay, no more errors. So now we have a approach function, and I guess we can do... Is there a way to get input? Is joy down? Is down? Is key label pressed? Why do you include the lips 2 times? It's already included in system. Stop. Oh, it's already included in system, therefore we don't need to include math again. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. So guys, so I found key.a. How do I check if it's down? Could be so easy. So do we already have a game? Almost. So there is not a single down function. There's not a single key. It's just pressed. Is key pressed? It returns true if you are pressing the key in the current keyboard layout. You can press the concept. So it's called is pressed. And then we do key.a. And then we do an if check around this. And then we do... Oh, I see. We now need to have like some privates here, right? On the Celeste. Private. Vector 2. Speed. Then we have a private. Vector 2. Position. Oh, I hate that, but okay, private vector 2. Wait, we have a position, speed. What if I do a public float speed, or let's say run speed, and then we do a public float run acceleration, and then public float run acceleration. Which language are you programming in? C# is right now. Godot does not support C++. I want to try C# in Godot because it's easier. You just download one button. Do you know? I think I can make a good game. Run acceleration and then friction. And so can I set these already? What do you mean about Rust and Go for game dev? What? I can't give you a... I can't like give you a definitive answer because I have not used them yet. I think Rust has been used in games before. And Go, I don't know at all if it has been used. Probably in some games. Maybe Cakez will like C# more than C++ after this. People happy? No, I won't. What are you guys doing? What do you mean not like this? Sharpbot incident? Yeah. You just need to look at the C# bot incident that we had. And then you know that that wasn't going very well at all. You know? So, I was having a rough time with this. So friction, what would that be? I don't know. Let's do 20. Do I have to do point or F, or can I just do... So work? Cool. And so if I press the A key, I want to approach the speed. So speed.x. Wait, it's a capital X, really? Is approach speed.x, whereby the target would be the run speed. And I would like the speed up to be the run acceleration times the delta time. Time.delta time. Dot get delta time. Delta. Get process delta time. Returns the time elapsed in seconds since the last process callback. Maybe this one. No? Read? Delta time is delta dot time in methods arguments. No way. Oh, it's delta right here. Oh my. I mean, okay. Oh, I see. So float, does that work? Can you cast a float like this? Like in C++? Yeah? Still recording? Of course. Oh my god. Hello, by the way. Hello there. Chomp. It's a really difficult name, Tom Pop. Okay, so, okay. Let's do the same thing, but using the minus run speed to the left. Actually, this is minus. And over here we want to go to the right using D key. How do I build now? F5, right? Wow, this is cool. I could just run in Godot. Of course. Position dot x is speed dot x plus equals speed dot x. Oh, also what we have to do is friction. Let me center this a bit. So basically if none of these is true, right? No, well, we don't want to do this. So we don't have this and we don't have this. Man, this is easy. So we get all of this for free, right? Speed.x is approach 0 by friction using oh no, actually we use speed x here and then 0 and then using the friction times float delta. I prefer this music, to be honest. Damn, this music is slapping today. Really? You guys like it? Hey, friction sakes. So now, position is like an inbound variable, right? Oh. Guys, how do I get access to my, like, sprite 2D transform position? Is it like something like transform position? Remove position is already there. Hey. It's not. You have to do position is new vector too. Why can this not do it for me? What the fuck is this bullshit? Hey? I'm pretty sure you do this all the time. What are you complaining about here? Can't modify the return value of the position because it is not a variable. No to the position. You can't assign this, you have to assign the whole struct. Okay, that's the first dumb thing that I've seen so far, but okay. Okay, where's my character? Okay, Godot. Reload. So, since the camera is not on the origin, the character is probably not on the origin either, right? Look at this, guys. We can now move to the left and to the right. It moves to the it moves faster to the left and to the right, guys. Okay, bro. Why is it moving to the left faster than to the right? I'm literally doing the exact same thing. Is my approach function wrong? Don't think so. Godot sucks. Like, I literally have the exact same function in C++. Except for like, okay, this is inverted. You calculated wrong, print the value. Complaint count plus plus. No, this is dumb. Because I'm literally doing exactly the same in the function. You can't fuck this up. The only thing that's changed is like this is inverted. But okay, we can invert this. You know, we could do this and then we can just move this here. Okay, I'm stupid. It's not the engine, I'm sorry. It's not the engine, it's me. Cause like yeah, I'm sorry, and I'm stupid. Okay. Oops. I mean, yeah. That's what happens. There you go. Okay, that looks really good. I think you were a bit too fast. What do you think? What happens if I resize this window? Does it get scaled? Huh, very cool. I like this really much. I like this a lot. This is really cool. So no like 3-hour window setup? Listen. You do this once in your life, okay? And then you have it done in your window library, okay, bro? You code this once in C++, okay? Please. You learn a lot when doing that, okay? Mister? Okay, now that we have this. We can implement jumping. By the way, can I access this in Godot when I click on my character? On Celeste, do I have these position, scale, skew? Like, do I have access to my... from the script data? Or do I have to... do I have to, like, serialize them like in Unity? Like, I don't know, export. Wow, it's literally export. Really? Damn. Hey. Maybe not export? Apparently not. Acceptance is the first step, public or something like that. I already have it public. I guess we could Google this. Let me Google this real quick. So what would that be? Export. I think it also needs get and set. C#. Godot. Make variables visible. How long ago into the stream you started Godot thing? Oh, actually about an hour ago. C#, new export variables won't show up until restart. Export won't show in the inspector typed switching nodes 2017. Currently Godot does not build the project automatically when your script changes. You build with the build script to the mono panel. Duplicate. Okay, I'm just saying. Found my problem. Only fields can be exported at this moment. Non-properties. Not properties. Can reproduce the issue. So I will try the get and set thing. Like, how do we do this? Get? No. float, get, run as return, run acceleration. Float set, float value, run acceleration is value. Right? That's how you do it. Get and set. Or do I have to do like some crazy stuff? I can't? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, man. Okay, bro? Or is this like some stupid out of this world set? No. Public variable. I knew it. I knew it. What a stupid thing. What he can't read? Public float variable. How do I assign it though? How do I assign it? It was 12. There's no way this works. What is this shit? I've never seen that. That's an abomination. What? Shut fuck up. Okay, bro. I mean, okay. It uses default get and set. Okay, now. Oh, we can get rid of these. Who coded this shit? Not me. Reload. I don't see it showing up. Somewhere. No. It doesn't show up. I'm gonna try restarting Godot. Or maybe build. And now click on it. Oh, it's right here. I don't know if it worked. It was right. I wasn't watching there. Did it work before the build? Can I like drag this? No, I have to type in. Really? Oh, I can't drag. It's a float. Okay, I mean, I guess it's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's turn this to 12 though. 12 was cooler. Cool. Now, when we press F5, we have our character moving to the left and to the right. Okay, how do I do a tile set? Can I just add in a tile set here? No! Accidentally pressed enter. Tilemap. That's gotta be it. I'm gonna put this here. How do we use a tile map now? I've never used that shit. Place a random tile. I understand that you use C++. Understand that you could use C++ and Godot. Yeah, but it's more about the like Godot in general experience. Like coding in C#, since it's natively supported, is a little bit easier for me. It's better if I do it in C# because then it feels also more like Unity. And it's mostly the same like C++, right? How do I add in terrains now? Or something. Tile has no tileset resource. Create a loaded tileset resource. Oh, let's create one. Okay. So do I need to create a new file here? All right, let's do some very cool. Maybe I use the color palette of Adam. Let's see here. I want to have a block, a single block for now. That has white snowy top. And then a dark bottom. Maybe make the snow on top. God, that looks good. I think this block is a little too bright, so I want to make it a bit darker. No. It's gotta be white like this. And then I think it was too... The color was okay. Okay, so... I need a bigger texture than 8x8, of course. Let's just make one block for now. What is that? 46? No, 48, right? It's 8x8. 48 by 48. That's 16 by 16, right? Oh, wait. Let's make a grid. 8x8. I'm gonna do the, you know, the neighbor tiling. Wonder if we can do that in Godot. Beck, did you finish the options screen? Yeah, I did. Okay, now that we have the tiles.snow, I want to add them here. How do I use one? Tile set. New tile set. Quick load. What a twist. It's been pretty funny, Aizen. He fixed the drop shadow on text and started Godot. Godot does it automatically but never uses it. Okay. Excuse me. How do we now add in a resource? Why is there no like button? Texture? Material. It's gotta be material, right? No. It literally says the tilemat has no source configured. Go to the tileset button tab to add one. Oh. Okay. Atlas. This is annoying. Delete. Atlas textures was modified. Would you actually like to create tiles in it? Yeah. Okay, we got it. And then the quadrant size is 8. Oh god. Huh? What? What do you mean? 8, you dummy. It still doesn't select, it only... YouTube tutorial time? It's easier to explain. No. We're almost there. Like we're going to find this out without some stupid YouTube tutorials. We don't need the tutorials here. It selects this as 1, which is stupid. The tile size of this is 8. I said it here. Try pressing the circle button. This one here. That resets it. Did you read the docs? Nice job. Then I don't know. Guys, I have a headache. Conform to the tool? I am. No. Hä? Do you like to automatically tiles? Yes. This one's different. Tile set. There you go. 8 by 8. There you go. Fuck off. God, is that annoying to deal with? They are trolling. They are literally trolling. It is 8 by 8 and it's still like, come on. What do you... Oh my god. What are you doing? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Oh my god. Is there like some sort of offset that I'm accidentally setting? Why is it in the middle? Are you stupid? Listen, are you dumb? Wow. Yes. All right. Okay. So now that we have this, how do I paste tiles? Paint. Select. Cool. How do I paint tiles? Because if I click now, then I deselect the tile set. Whatever, dude. Okay, so let's make some collision here. Let's make a bottom part here. All right, now how do I get the tile set? I need to get the tile map on Celeste. Are we stupid? Go to the tile map to the bottom menu. Wonder if you could use collision boxes. I'm pretty sure that I have to take the tile map and I have to add a sub resource, a child node, some sort of collision. I think maybe this. Node configuration serves provide a collision shape derived node. Please use it as a child of an array or static body, rigid body. You can add collision from the tile map. Oh, I can. Delete node. Okay. I can take collision here and add it here. Really? Bro, this is so painful to watch as someone who knows Godot. Okay, bro. Buckets. Okay, so you're telling me I can add collision here. Oh. Collision? Animatable? Click on the tile set. Physics. Collision layer. Collision mask. Yes, as a physics layer. As. This one's bad. It still says cell quadrant size 16. It's supposed to be 8, I think. And then we have collision animatable is on. And it forces to show. What if I hide? Doesn't do anything. You need to go to the bottom editor and add the collision shape to the tile. Go to setup. Bottom editor. There is no setup here, bro. Chat should charge you for free mentoring. Left of select. Oh. Okay. It's this one right here. Wait. Go to these nuts. Wait, do select. That sounds alright to me. Yes, physics. Huh? Polygons. You need to draw a collision shape there. Okay, what the fuck is this shit? And this is for one tile? I have to really repeat this? For all the tiles? How are you supposed to find this out? It should just be a fucking button. Turn on collision. I mean, I guess some people want to have it like this. Holy. You can auto do it, genius? Oh, really? How? Smartass, huh? There is a keyboard shortcut. It creates it. I wonder if there is like... I don't want to look for tutorials. Uh-oh. Shit, I'm an idiot. I'm a dumbass. Let's try that again. You don't need help? Okay, so now we have collision on these. It looks like. Maybe. I hope. We should have collision now. That means if I take my character and I add a child node, which is a collision shape, 2D, right? And then in this collision shape, we use a rectangle shape. And then we just make this, you know... Oh, we're going to do it like pixel by pixel, huh? We would do... Okay. Let him cook. Yeah, let me cook. Let me cook. Okay. I'm cooking right now. And I'm pretty sure I can have the like collision layer setting here. There should be a collision layer setting, but I guess it's colliding with everything. Play. It's gonna work. Shit, I'm not falling down, of course, I forgot. I'm out, this shit's painful. Celeste needs a character body instead of a sprite. Why? Why? That would be dumb. Why would that be needed? Cakes? No. Go fuck you, bitch. Who cares? It auto faults. No, it auto faults. I just want to have a shape, guys. I just want to have a shape. You should do the same in Unreal Engine next. Why is CTS working, Abef? Uh-oh. Okay, it's off now. Ooh. This guy got a pipes in. No. What's the slow? Close call, yeah. No. Alright, let's make the character fall real quick. By using gravity. Oh wait, we need to have a maximum fall speed as well. Or let's call it just fall speed, you know. Godot uses C#, hey streamer, why not gravity 1000? Well, because that would be too much, mister. What do you think? Fall speed, that should be slow, like 4 or 5. Not that much. So what we want to do is, we want to take the speed.y and then approach that using speed.y by the gravity. No, actually that would be the fall speed at most. And we use the gravity times float delta. There you go. Wow, is it really just able to run and reload? And if I run this now, is it running? Is the game running somewhere? Oh, I had this running the entire time, lol. Wonder what happened. It's still loading. Okay, thank you, Mr. Streamer. Okay. Collision doesn't fucking work, guys. I flew right through the fucking ground. I flew right through the fucking ground. What is this shit? Maybe that's the first level? No. You didn't use the physics engine and didn't use the because you use a texture, because you're a texture cake. I have a collision shape on me. What do you mean? I have a collision box around me. Everything that has a collision box and is being moved should be stopped, shouldn't it? Read the warning. Collision shapes only serve to provide collision shape for a collision object derived node. Please use it as a child of an area, static, rigid body, or character body. Okay, fine. So what we need is a character body, what you guys are saying. So if we take the root here, we add a child node that is a character body. Shouldn't we make a like a node 2D and then call this, I guess we delete this, and we call this Celeste, and then we put in the character body in here, and then we add in a new child node that is a collision shape 2D. Listen, like this sucks. Like, what is this shit? What do you mean? Where's my sprite? Do I have to add a sprite here too? Character body as main, sprite plus collider as child. Celeste. Okay, now it's starting to look good. Cool. It's really annoying that this collision shape... Yeah, that's better. And then the sprite. Okay, this looks good. What happens now? Do I get rid of the gravity by myself? Because I don't want... I still want to change this, you know? Where's the script? I need to add a script here. This one's annoying. Not sure about that. After reading, we also need to understand. This wouldn't happen if you had read the documentation. Okay, I see. It doesn't work because the script inherits from a character, from a sprite 2D. Keine Rückmeldung, bro. Now what we have to do is we need to add a script to this, really. Fuck, how do I do this now? I mean, can I just... What is it called? Fuck, I forgot what it's called. Character? Character body 2D, does that work? Is it just that easy? Hopefully. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. What? 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 It doesn't even give me like an error. It's really annoying. Whatever. Let's just try to load this. My character falls through the floor. This is dumb. Like, it should stop me from doing so. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. If you guys know why the character falls through the floor, maybe it's because, like... Be right back real quick. It's not using physics. Ist es unten ist... Gibt's oder? helps if I open the window. Good. What do we tell him to do next, Sage? I guess he needs to set up the collision layers. Listen, like... This one, right? We have to set up collision here. Somewhere. Maybe in the collision shape. Maybe here. Why is he even having Lundum there in the title? He's not following the rules nor the theme? What do you mean? How am I not following the rules? I'm following the theme. What do you mean? It's going to be limited amount of space. Yoinked art? I drew this thing myself, and I drew this one myself as well. What are you talking about? Huh? I drew both of these. What are you talking about? Not during the jam? I did. I did. Maybe you should, you know, pick up on the lore before you make such accusations. Okay, bro? Maybe you should educate yourself on the stream lore before you talk bullshit. Huh? Because I did. You just weren't there to pick up all the pieces of the lore. Collision layers. Stolen engine? Okay. Go fuck off. Go fuck off, bro. Fucking hell. You won't collide until you're going to use physics instead of force setting the positions. This is dumb. This is dumb. This is really dumb. Is there a way that I can get the tile layers positions and see which ones are visible? Because that's dumb. I can't use Godot's physics to do so. I don't want to use Godot's physics to do so. I want to have special collision. This looks like the Celeste character. Lonum there literally has a Murray example to say what not to do, Cakez. Listen, if I miss the mark, then I miss the mark, okay? Then check collision positions every time and collide yourself. Okay, then how do I get the collisions or the time maps position? Hello there, Hansuai. Yeah, it's Godot. There must be a way to get the tile map, right? I don't know, everyone uses physics. It's a game engine. No, there's a way to not use physics in a game engine. I just need to get the tile map somehow. Is there like a way to get access to the tile map? I'm just gonna try it out in code. Maybe I could just call tilemap. Get canvas item, pretty sure. Right? Returns the canvas item RID used by Godot at render server. No. Move and collide, please, please. Call move and collide. Could you just do this? Move and collide? Move and collide. Physics 2D move. Moves the body along the vector motion in order to be frame rate independent. What does it take in? What does it take in? Double? Okay, speed. Okay. Reload. It does. Now I just can't move anymore to the left and to the right, but at least... Well, it sucks because I can't move to the left and to the right. Maybe because I'm colliding here with the bottom part. Yeah, so the moment I'm colliding with the bottom, I can't move anymore. Because it's pushing me down. Move and collide with move and slide. That's funny. What does move and slide take in? Without arguments and assign a speed variable? Velocity. You need to use the velocity property already defined in Godot 4. You need to assign velocity. No. No, 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 no. I need the speed. I need to move by the speed, guys. Don't assign position. Guys, this physics engine sucks. Velocity is the same as speed. Aha. So you mean this? Okay. You need to use it for physics. All right. Okay, I'm done here. Oh my god. It's default gravity now. No, no, it is dampening. It is using the entire physics system. I want to set the position. I want to set the position by the speed. This is by how much I want to move this frame, guys. Thank you very much for following Deca Coffee Time. Setting position doesn't collide because it doesn't use physics. Well then... Is there a way to test collision? That should work. Test only. There we go. Okay, so then we just do the following. We need to have a remainder. Oh, well, man. Gizar Maluk, thank you very much for following. And then in move x, we do remainder.x is speed.x. Then move. Int move is sign. Oh, it's probably math.sign, right? Math.sign from speed.x. Let me see here. Let me quickly double check the function. And I don't think that is bad if I check the function, right, guys? Is it fine if I double check the function? If not, then I'll try to get it from the website. You know, I don't want people to get triggered because I'm checking this right here. Where are you? I'm on Lundum Dare. Like, I'm talking about the Lundum Dare thing. So, if move is unequal to 0, then let's do this one by one. What do we want to do? We want to get the rectangle of our player. Basically, what we want to do is we want to check if move and collide using a speed of vector 2. Is there a way to do this? Or do we have to do new? Do we have to do like this? Is this how you make a vector in C#? Yeah. And then test only true. I just want to test. Like, the weird thing is that it doesn't return a boolean or something. Unsafe, even. What is this shit? Like, test only. But it's a... It gives us a collision. Back. Dot. I assume Raft questions your background. Oh, I see. I'm at my parents. Like, we don't have internet. So, I needed to find a place to stream. Would be cool if we could find like a... If there's like a function that tells me whether the collision actually happened or not. Test only true. Body does not move. But the would-be collision information is given. Where's the return? If the recovery has collision... Huh? I need to be able to find out the return value. Returns a collision which contains a major when stopped or when touching the other body. Yeah, but if it doesn't, then what does it return? Nothing? I don't understand. I have no internet, yeah. happened yesterday evening, which is why the YouTube video was late as well. It's like after soccer. I went to soccer and then came back. It returns, check its properties. Yeah, but which property? Like I'm seeing the angle, the absolute value, the aspect. Like I would like to know which one I should check. I guess the length. I don't know. It's a function? Wait, no, actually it returns this. Has method, has signal, is connected. Goodness, so many functions. It's more difficult to program this in Godot than to program this yourself, man. The function returns if a collision occurs and all if there's none. Okay. Okay, it seems like it works. So if we have a collision here, then we I guess as long as we don't have a collision, or as long as it is null, I want to set the position to the move vector. So I guess vector 2 move vector is new vector 2 move 0. So like this. And if we collide with the move vector, then I want, if we don't collide with the move vector, then I want to set the position. That's so dumb. What do you mean by equals? Like it's gotta be a plus. It has to be plus, not equals. Okay, let's see if this works. Reload. Let's see. Does it work? Oh, it does. Look at this. Move X works. I can't collide. Look, we have made our own collision detection in Godot with move X, and we could do the same thing with move Y. Oh, also, wait, if the moment we move, we do move minus minus, of course. Oh, and also, this has to be a while, of course. So actually, let's remove this. Whoops. Already Godot Pro. Nice, ship it. Yeah, looks really good, huh? Wow. I mean, what the fuck was this speed? And now it's in an endless loop. My game's dying. Please stop. Wait, let me think. I forgot the absolute value. Why the while? Using a while loop? Yeah, I know. Wait, let me think. We round and then we do move is the absolute value or math dot absolute value of move. We have to do this here as well. So basically this is how much we have to move. This is basically moving us 1 pixel at a time. It moves us pixel perfect, gives us pixel perfect collision. But it uses Godot's collision detections of physics library, which probably is bad. Okay, now this is a bit too fast. I don't know why it is so fast. I have a feeling that the movement, it is basically twice as fast. Is there a way to look at FPS, guys? Can I find out how much FPS I have or if I have VSync on or not? Doing the work multiple times? Listen, that's what we have to do. Okay, otherwise I don't get the collision. Also, if we have a collision, then we set the speed dot y to 0 and on x dot 0 as well. The function will tell you where the collision occurred along the vector's path. You don't need to step it. I have to. Yeah, I could, but I don't wanna, dude, I don't wanna fucking optimize a Godot game for fucking game jam, man. Why would I do that? Give me a reason to optimize the game for a game jam. It works and it's fine. I just need to find out, guys, how do I find out if I'm running on how many FPS? Does anyone of you know? Because I think I'm running on too much. Why use a framework at all then? Oh my god, Eclabif, stop. Please go then. Please stop telling me what to do, okay? I do not want to do it this way. Print the delta to console. Okay, it is fine if you want to do that, but don't fucking push me to do however you want to have it, okay? Please, I do not want to do it. I'm just asking the question. I'm using this to learn how to use it. I'm not using this to become the best Godot programmer ever. Delta times the time between frames so you can check it in the console log. Okay, let's see. I think we should be running on like the fixed loop. Every frame. This is the elapsed time since the previous frame. Is there like a different function? Fixed process or something? Because this is not running every frame. This is running every frame. Console dot write line delta time plus delta. Reload. Let's try this. Oh my god, I'm running fast. Where's my console? Debugger? Output? Audio? Animation? What is this? Why do I not have a console? Eh? When running Godot? I am running in Godot. I am running in Godot. Here, look. Huh? It is not printing to the console. This must be the console. It is showing me this right here. The Vulkan API and device and in NVIDIA graphics. You need GD print. What? gd.print? Okay. So, as far as I understand, it isn't unable to reload the program like this, right? Yeah, you see this? But actually, this seems to be 60 frames per second. It's 16 milliseconds. 60 FPS. Then why is the character so fast? This is too fast. It moves way too fast and too floaty. I literally have the exact same values. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 37. Move and collide already moves your character. Do you do it manually? No, I do move and collide just by testing. I'm setting the character's position. Or I have to do set position is equals to move vector. I don't know. I don't know what this equal to equals means. Like, it's weird. It's such a dumb... It's such a dumb interface in my opinion. No, I can't move at all. Don't move and collide. Complete the movements. You might be doubling it. Move and collide has a boolean that says test only. And then if I read this, returns a body. If test only is true, the body does not move, but the would-be collision information is given. You know? And so I'm not moving it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, fucking read. You're telling me to read? You're triggering me. It literally says here, bro. If test only is true, the body does not move. I'm using test only to be true. I'm only testing. Oh my god. I didn't notice the truth there. Okay. Is he usually this rude with his viewers? Yeah? Okay, so I'm rude. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Mm-hmm. Okay, now, but it doesn't explain that it's so fast, because, like, how big is the world right here? Is there a way to set the size of the camera? It just zoomed by 4. Stop shaming your viewers, they're just trying to be nice and helpful. Wasn't the movement... What's the movement vector? Do you apply the whole vector to X times? I think I'm only applying... Oh. Yeah. Thank you. This is what we need. My man, thank you. After sign, move. Okay, we got it. Why Godot? Why not Unity? Print the speed to the console. I think we have it now. Yeah. This is perfect. Okay, now we should be able to jump as well. Let's go. Let's do jumping. I think jump speed was 4 or 5 or something. Don't remember though. Let me see. Jump speed has to be -4 or 5, I think. Let's try this. But we have to, I don't remember the correct. Why is there like an error here? I'm starting to really enjoy doing stuff in Godot now. That's bait. Imagine using Unity. I know it's bait, yeah. I know it's bait. It's recent future. What do you think? Is there a way to just press the button? I can fly now. Action just pressed. Oh wow, this is so cool. Is key just pressed? Is key labeled pressed? Is physical key pressed? Is mouse button pressed? Just give your character wings to emergent solves the problem. Why is there no just pressed? Returns true. It's only recommended over input get physical key press non-game applications. This ensures that when input is key pressed, key is only recommended over in non-game applications. Note, due to keyboard ghosting, input is key pressed may return false even if one of the keys is pressed. Physical key pressed. If in doubt, use input is physical key pressed. Okay, but how can I just press the key? How can I just press the key? Maybe there's like a dot. No. You can maybe check the Y position too. I have a question. If there's someone in chat that might be able to help me. I have an idea. Grounded is false. Then we do... Sure, just do it. Just ask the question. It's fine. Grounded should exist, right? Grounded. Yes, and then when we move on Y and we collide, then I want to... Actually, I want to, you know, break here if we collide. The moment we collide, I would like to break. And then over here I want to check if speed.y is positive. Then I want to set grounded to true. Now we should be able to move our character and collide. You must use Godot script because you cannot export the project to Linux using C#. Really? No way, really? It's not setting grounded to false. Do I get an error in Godot? No. You're not setting it back to false? I am. Whenever I press this key. Oh, I see. No, I think I understand the problem now. And we are grounded. I also need to check if we are grounded, of course. Then I can only then I can jump. then we should be good. Okay, so guys, what do you think? Wow. It's not even close, man. Wait. Let's select the character. Make the jump speed a bit higher. Oh, it's not exported, of course. The character is going. Yeah. Okay, so we have to click build here in order to get this. You see this? There's no jump speed. But if I build, then I have it. So apparently -4 is not enough. Let's try -8. By the way, can I change these properties while the game is running here? Wow. Probably can't, right? I think gravity is too much. Remote in top left. I'm at a search bulk that filters out keywords. So if I like search hoodie, then all the different keys go away. But now there's only text. Text I want to add, images, but I don't know how. What? Now I want to add images, but I don't know how. What do you mean? You want to search by images? Okay, I've never experienced this. I have a feeling that it's pushing me down twice. Is there like a way to disable gravity on the the collision shape or something, guys? Because to me it seems like I'm getting gravity twice. I would like to completely disable gravity. In the project settings, you could find gravity and set it to 0. Thank you, man. 2D. 0. Okay, close. I think I have to reload for this, right? It's too fast. What the fuck is this? Like, why does it always behave like shit in these games, you know? When you don't use the physics, it's insane. Like, this is not how it should behave. Let me see, what do I have as statics here? Like, my jump speed is like -3. It's Frogger now, lol. Like, this is not... Like, the gravity is still enabled, I think. Maybe I have to disable that here too. Close. Default gravity. Let's see. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? It like immediately jumps me down. It pushes me down. Like, what I find interesting, you know, is when I start this, I'm falling down decently slow. But then I need to debug my speed. I think my speed is just way out of this world. Let's see. Instead of, you know, getting the delta time, I think I would like to get my speed. You need to run from VS Code to debug. Let's see. Speed is 3. It should be 0, by the way. It is 3 immediately. Makes no sense. Maybe my gravity is just too much. Let's set this to 2. 1.8. Try that. If you don't do anything and gravity is 3, why shouldn't the speed be also be 3? I don't understand how it's so quick in this scenario. What is the difference? Jump speed is -3. Fall speed and gravity is 13. I have it even on 13. Grounded? I don't think it has to do with grounded. Gravity plus jump speed is almost 0 now, so why do we? So how do you want to jump? So no, because gravity is multiplied by delta time. Delta time is a very small value. It's 0.01. It's a very, very small value. It's like I'm only taking a fractional part of the actual gravity, and I'm approaching that. And so that is not the problem. That is not the problem. The problem is that when I jump and I set my speed to jump speed, it must set my speed to 0 or something. This must be here. This must happen. It must be moving and colliding or something. One round jar, double knockout, or did we both run away? Let's try this. I'm running this from here. See? It's literally colliding in Y direction, even though it doesn't collide. It's wrong. Look, I'll show you. I'll show you. So basically they are lying to me. Let's do fall speed. Let's set that to 1. You know, make us float. Okay, you see how slow this I fall, right? We could even make it slower. I hate this so much. Huh? Now it's not even falling because it's too slow, huh? Okay, wait. One more time. One more time. Okay, listen. I think there's a bug, something, or I'm doing something wrong, but... Can you please tell me where I'm colliding in Y direction? Can you please tell me where the collision happens when I'm moving in Y direction? Can you please tell me? Because I'm not. This is what happens. This is why I move down immediately after I jump. Because the engine thinks that I'm colliding, but I'm not. I'm clearly not colliding. So what is the problem here? I'm clearly floating in the air. You're checking if it's null. Does it return null if there's no collision? So see, that could be... It could remove us an object every frame, and therefore we are colliding every frame, right? And so then this is always null. Wait. So you mean when it's not colliding? Oh, I'm a fucking dumbass. Okay, I'm an idiot. Basically, I'm an idiot. This is supposed to happen when I'm colliding. Over here too. I mean, it can happen to the best of us, okay? Stuff like this can happen, okay? Damn bugged engine. I'm a dumbass. I have to do like this. Always blame the tool, lol, of course. Fall speed. Okay, now that we can put fall speed on 3, we can also put the jump speed on -3, and then we should be good. Reload. Cool. The Godot editor is overriding? Are you fucking kidding me? Like the moment I set it to -3, it gets set to 0 again, like a second. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? +3 -3 equals 0. Again, one last time. I'll tell you that I'm not +3 -3. I'm doing 3 minus 3 times 1%. So I'm going to put the calculator out here, but 3 times 0.016 is 0.048. It is not 3. Again, one last time. I'm multiplying this by the delta time. Please tell me one more time afterwards. Okay, so it is 3. And then it should be 3 point something else, but it is literally 0. Makes no sense. It makes no sense, bro. In case you want to reaction any content, here's a video for you. Yeah, I will do that tomorrow, but let's see, what is this video about? New beginning, road to Vostok? Does it have to do with game development? But why, like, why would I react to this? Because it's a game? Let me see here. What is this? Okay, I want to see what happens when this happens. Oh. Two days ago, the special episode draws the developers reviews the Unity situation and analyze the upcoming game Switch. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is interesting. This one's really interesting. Road to Vostok. This guy has made a very interesting game in In Unity, is it right?
Also provide a bit different.
As far as I know. He doesn't have that many videos, but he has decently... Yeah, I've watched this one. Looks really good. And was made in Unity before, right? Yeah, we'll watch this tomorrow. That's fine. The additional results are worth reacting to, lol. Oh, he switched from Unity to Godot. Hello, Cakez. It's London their time. It's ticking. It's fine. I will not be able to get done today, you know. Especially with bugs like this. It is not behaving exactly like in my engine. Let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah. That seems about right. Let me think. What I don't understand is why the speed goes down to 0 immediately. So this must happen the moment I jump. So let's do it like this. Whenever I jump, I'm going to record what happens, right? Huh? What? Okay. You can have condition on a breakpoint. Now let's see what happens. So basically I'm now speeding up. My speed is positive. So my character should move up by 3 pixels. Which it does. Oh, and then it goes into some node C#. Alright, now I want to find out what happens in the next update loop. So in the next update loop. So we just moved up 3 pixels, right? I can move the window, but we moved up 3 pixels. It's a bit annoying. Because we have to like... I should have moved the window beforehand. Okay, let's do it like this. So we moved up 3 pixels. Our speed is still -3. And then we approach gravity. Or we approach fall speed. This is the problem. Okay, the approach function is the problem. That's what happens. It's approach. You have condition on a breakpoint. You can have condition on a break. I already read that. I think what happens is my fall speed Wait, my speed is -3. And then my gravity is positive. Why does it work here? Delta time may be huge. Oh, you think it was the delta? No, it's still 0.14. Current is less than target, yeah. So current is less than target, so it takes the minimum, which is 3, yeah. It takes 3, is exactly. It takes the current plus increase, which is 3. 100%. So let's do this again. Let's try this again. So we jumped, right? We just jumped up. We go here. -3 is the current. Speed up is 0.2. Target is 3. It takes the maximum. That's why. It takes the maximum. That is the issue. And why does that not happen in my engine here in this one? Why does it not happen here? Fall speed and gravity are both positive. I don't understand this at all, guys. I'm really confused now. You have current minus target engine, but current greater than the target Godot. I saw that incorrectly. Less than? Oh wow, actually I have. I actually have. Thank you, man. Fuck. Okay, that was the issue. Oh, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, that should work then. New Starfield? True. We got it, boys. We got it. Victory. Okay. How can we make this limited space now? I don't like these small numbers. Can you make them enormous like in Diablo 4? It's really triggering me that this engine by default doesn't have a .adjust pressed function that tells me whether a key is just pressed and I accidentally press jump again when I get to a platform because there is no just pressed function. It does? Well, it does not. Or it does, but it doesn't make it easy for me to find it, because if I do input dot just pressed, this is an action. This is not a physical key. But you use it around, you should use events and signals. Not check it like this. Events? So basically a key can be bound to an event. It's what I remember this from Unity. So essentially what you have a key events, if that makes sense. You can make a binding, right? Is that here in project settings? Input map. Wow, am I really good? Jump? Am I really that good? Action, what is this? Dead zone? How do I map this though? How do I map this? I think actions are just an indication over keys or button presses, so you map, so you may remap easy. With a plus on the right? Ah, okay. Keyboard keys. Filter inputs. Okay, jump would be space. Okay. Left. A. Oh, this is really cool. This is really cool. Yeah, this is what we did the other day in C++ in Celeste, guys. If you remember. Oh, wait, that's called... It should be called write. And then I guess I have to find the action by string, right? I would assume. Wait, why didn't they make it so that you just push the button or your keyboard to set the keybind? Probably because it's an engine. Can I add more than one? I can only add one keybind. Oh, we can add more than one. Cool. Why is this so annoying? Why don't you focus this? Really annoying. Okay, and then we have events, right? It's an action, right? Just pressed. And then it takes in the string action name, which would be left. If the action got just pressed. Or do we have like, is action pressed? If. Wow, look guys, we are making this cross-platform. We're making this, yeah, kind of cross-platform now. Wow. Look at that, we have a keybind. Isn't that Poggies? Then we do right, and we approach X in the other direction. Boom. And then we can also do jump. And then we can do is action just pressed. That would be the action jump. Really cool. I really like this. I know it's strings, but that's really cool. Look at my paste. Your toothpaste. Or you write your own C#. You write now C#. Let's go. Wow, guys, it works. What do you think you named it? Jump? Not jump? No, it works. Okay, now it actually behaves exactly the same as in C++. I've literally created the same thing or the same game in Godot as I have in C++. Character facing one direction still. How can I change that, Asen? That's really cool. Sprite flip, I don't know, Godot, flip monitor. Change the sprite transform to -1. Okay, I will not do that right now. I have a question. I swap the eyeballs. Okay, ask away. What if it's like limited space? What can we do with limited space in such a character controller? Either set flip to true in the sprite node or set scale x to -y. -1. The worlds move towards the center, need to get as high as possible. Well, if we make something like this, you know, let's say the molds, oops, let's click on this tile set here, this tile map. If we make the tiles, you know, go inwards like that, you know. then what would be the challenge of moving up? You know, what would be the challenge of that? Because you can't fall down because there's platforms everywhere. See what I mean? I mean, they move on their own and crash, your time constraint. Oh, I see. If I could move these tiles, but I can't. Celeste Benettoti. Multiple time maps, you will need to assign them to a node TD and move the node. Multiple time maps. Did your wife give you a good playlist? There's no need, there's no reason, there's no way this is your playlist. Shut the fuck. I'm just using a different playlist, okay? Rotate the camera, gravity direction to make it harder to go up. So they specifically said no Mario, which is why I'm like kind of cringing at this. What could we do? Like if we make this more like thinner here, that makes no sense. Yeah, I mean, there's like a literally Mario example on what not to do. And Celeste is kind of like Mario in a way, you know? It is kind of like Super Mario. Single room, you need to collect an apple and the room becomes smaller and smaller. I didn't think about the thing. I just wanted to make a game in Godot. And that was really cool so far. No Mario is referring to no copy character art. The genre is fine. Wait, so it is fine? So this is fine. So I can just make this. Can just keep on pasting tiles here. Like this. This is not. How is this related to the theme? Well, you are confined in space to the left and to the right, and you have to go up. Limited space to the left and to the right. I mean, they didn't say in all dimensions. I mean, you know? Listen, I'm just following the rules, okay? It is a limited space. To the left and to the right. Program art is encouraged. I see. My streamer? Fuck off. I think I'm doing a good job, or? I think this is limited space, right? What do you think? Limited jump. Limited jumps. Devastator. Good morning. Welcome. That is cool. I'm limiting the jumps. Limited space. Open world is also limited space. You can't go. Space bar equal jump, so limited space. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. 100%. Very good idea, Azen. Now what if we make the camera focus on the character? What happens? It wasn't my idea. Not creative. Okay, we're going to do it like this. You only have a limited amount of spaces left. So how do we make a text on the screen? Text. Space. What happens if I build the project now? Huh? What the fuck? What is this? I thought this was a text. Placeholder text? Test. It's edit text, you need to input text there. Huh? What? You want a different control. So this is wrong? Okay. Delete. New one. Text. It's for inputting text. Okay. A control displaying text that can contain different font styles. I think maybe rich label text. This one. Then. And over here test. Cool. Okay, and then we do space. I want to make that big. Then I would like to put this where the camera is. So, and then how can I access this element as well? I need to be able to access this element to change. You want label? Really? Well, let's start real first. Let's start first. Space. In code you can call get node. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay. I have to say, I feel much better here, but okay. Whatever. Label, you say? Space. Okay, then we put this on the top left. Also, I would like to put the camera's position. I guess I'll just move with the camera. Wait, are we trying Godot? That's cool. Really? You like it? This is the space count label. This is what we want. Copy. And then we get this with get node. Okay. So I guess we want to have a label. Space count label. Private. And then we want to get the node here, right? Get node label. And then it is space. No, what is it called? It is on the camera to D. So basically I have to do camera to D. Slash. You can right click a node and copy the path. Damn. Copy path. I mean, they thought about everything. It's a little bit annoying that these don't have IDs that you can assign like integer values, you know? But okay. Maybe it's easier to look for strings. And then over here, let's start out. How many spaces do we allow? I think Unity does that. Hello there, Sophia. Good morning. Let's do a private int space count. Oh, we can set that to 50 here, right? We don't need to initialize this here. And then every time I update, I would like to print the text is space and then plus space count. Wow, I mean, this is really cool. Let's do F5. Eh? What do you mean? I'm also a graphic and web designer. Oh, that's cool. Error look at debugger. Yeah, it is the text. Errors. Godot method behind system void. Sheet method behind pointer call generated. What? Returning null pointer. Get node, return null pointer. Please rate my portfolio. You should ask the question first and don't just link it, bruh. Try again with bad code and check errors. The node path was wrong? It's because the path is from the root and you access it from the Celeste node. Ah. So basically, remove this. What you're saying. I think then this would be okay. Okay, cool. Let's reload. Any error? Can I clear this? First time chatter plus links, very sus, yeah. You know, look, this is from a first time chatter himself. He's already sussing at you, you know. Look at this Giga chat. You know, first time chatter calling out another first time chatter. Yeah, on the web dev, just going through the category, first time chatter using sus, being sus about first time chatters. I'm a first time chatter, smiley face. We always are, depends on the channel. Ooh, look at that. Every time I jump, I will remove the space by 1. And we can only jump if we have space count is greater than 0. And then I guess we could say if space count is greater than 0, we do this. I like this. Else, we set the label text to lol, you died. Lol. Lol, you died. Oh yeah, rip bozo as well. Rip bozo. Very good idea. You can update the text only on jump optimization. Cakez, what's the game you're making about? Space. Limited space. God, I'm terrible at this. Let's just space bar to the victory, here. Boing, boing. Oh, come on, I want to see the Rebozo. Lol, you died, Rebozo. No! Okay, we have to do the Rebozo like this. Alright. Cool. Let's create a level now. Reload. I can't reach this, so that means we have to do like more on the tile map. We could place one. It's gotta be annoying, yet not annoying. Right? I wish I could place them while the game is running. So this is... See, there's the advantage of C++. I can place tiles only when the game is not running. Text is behind the tile map. Oh yeah, we should change that layer. Cakez, will you play Baba? Is you on stream one day? The time map is the last node. Ah, okay. So that means if we put the time map before, then the text will be in front. No. There's gotta be a layer thing that you can do, right? Is there a layer? God, there's too many things here. $12 hours for 5-level stream. What is Baba is you? What is that game? Probably not, because I don't own the game. And so Cakez and us have fun solving puzzles. I'm not a good puzzle person, man. I like puzzling in real life, you know, puzzles, but because it's mechanical. But like these type of puzzles, like, yeah. So there is no layer for this shit, which means that maybe I just don't find it. Ordering is in the canvas item tab. Canvas item. Eh? In that tree? What? It's there, we can't see. Oh, because of my camera? I can move it. So right there, canvas item. Shut the fuck up, I don't see it. Shut the fuck up. I don't see... Oh, I was looking at these. I wasn't looking at this. I was looking at this. Ordering. Oh, I was expecting there to be canvas item here. They should really have different text colors for this, you know? Like, different icons are not enough. You can change it yourself. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Don't fucking... Okay, bro. It's partially transparent. Yeah. Oh my god. Whatever. Whatever. Maybe it was the relative option. So at this point, I just don't know what they want from me. Oh. ZNX1 should work. Maybe it just doesn't draw this because of the... I'm drawing the debug layers. Maybe that's the reason. You know? That could be the reason for it. Because you could see, I think it's on top here, but it draws these blue boxes. The collision boxes of this Tilemap. I don't remember collision animatable. I think that's it. No, it still draws this. Maybe the tile set. Visibility. This one's really annoying. Thank God it's over. Create new font, change the default font. No, I like it. I actually like it. I really like it. You had collision visibility mode on top right. Where? Am I dumb? You had it set to force. Ah! Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I think I accidentally set that to force. Now it's on top. Okay, that's fine. Cool. Alright, now it's very difficult for me to create a level like this because I have to keep on restarting, which is kind of annoying. Try to add tiles while the game is running. I think it updates. Oh, you mean I can run the game here? And then I can place... Oh shit, I can place a tile. Do I have to click build? Didn't update. It's fine. It's fine. We just have to play the level 10,000 times. Because they don't have C++ hot code reloading, guys. That's just the way it is. So I'm just going to create like some generic level. Doesn't look saved with that star. Yeah, you're right. Now it's saved. Shit. How do I get out of this? Can I even? Is that even possible? Okay, so I created something where I can't get past. Too fat? The collision box is wrong, by the way. Like, this is really bad. Like... Can you stop doing that? What the fuck are you doing? I just want to move this by 1 pixel to the right. What is your fucking problem? I cannot offset this at all? I can only put it in the middle? What is your damn problem? Transform. Position. 1. Thank you. Save. That makes it a lot easier to do. To deal with. I still can't jump up here, which I should be able to. But that means I have to like disable one of these tiles, unfortunately. Eh? What do you mean? Paste tiles, bro. Eh? Tile set. Tilemap. Paste tiles. What do you mean? What the fuck is this? Stop! What did I just do? Huh? You are in scaling mode? How do I know that I'm in scaling mode? Select mode. Change the cursor mode. Please FF can't take it anymore. Oh, so I accidentally pressed S. Okay, and Q is the selection mode. I couldn't take it really. All right. That should work. Man. Fuck. You will be recording Godot tutorials? Will you be recording Godot tutorials? No, please God, no. I leave that to other people, you know. I'm just gonna make 50 jumps possible and then make it kinda difficult to hit these jumps. Okay, so I could have put this much further away. So why do I always have to click this? Why do I always have to deselect and select this again? It's so annoying. Really annoying. Guys, if you think I'm going to add much more to the game, I don't see myself doing that. Fuck! How did that happen? I think the game is too easy. You got two more whole more days. I got 2 more days, really? Okay, I mean, we could think about what we could add in the game, you know? I think you got no game yet. No, we still need a loop. A spring. Okay, how about this? I'll continue tomorrow. Make random bets moving from left to right to dodge. I'll continue tomorrow, guys. I have to do the YouTube video stuff as well. And let's stop the recording.